is nice. It is nice, but sometimes it just needed. So I dimmed it quite a bit. Huh? And you could change the color. Look, it is wonderful. And there's the other one. It's outside though. It's in the box. I'm nearly certain they are going to replace these as soon as. But yeah, you can. See, change the color. It even goes. That's all right. I can do it. Let's see. See, that says big old W. It should be an A for albino, but W is fine too. Because Fifth Element. That's how that would apply. Supreme being. Pero albino, Snow White, or sunblinded.